We're here at ross-ade Stadium here at Purdue University, here at West Lafayette, Indiana. I think we have some ThyssenKrupp Northerns here to ride.
Okay, all right, thank you.
How you doing? Good.
It's a great game.
Yeah.
Look at those doors designs. Very cool.
I'm happy to see that it hasn't rained.
Yeah, right. Exactly. Hey there.
Hi.
Alrighty.
Where can I take you?
One, please.
All right.
So how do you get this job?
It's a wonderful question.
Yeah.
I applied for an event management job
Okay.
and got the elevator position for football games.
Awesome.
But we also do parking, guest services,
Okay.
everything.
Cool.
I'm lucked out, I guess.
There you go.
Well, on a day like today, it's better to be in here, I think.
Yeah, true.
Outside, yeah.
Some
Sorry.
ThyssenKrupp Northerns here. Very interesting.
We can get back in, right?
Yes,
Okay.
show me your ticket when you come back.
Okay, thanks.
Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.
All right, here we go, Jay.
Alrighty, here we go.
I'll see you guys enjoy.
Ooh, this one is a little...
Floor.
Can we ride all the way up and then come back to 3?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Why not?
This one wants to film it.
No,
Okay.
you're good.
How you girls doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good.
And then 6 is actually going to open up this way for you.
Okay.
Interesting.
Cool, huh?
You
Yeah.
go down?
We are.
Oh, perfect. We're hopping in if that's all right.
Okay.
And they're at the
We're going
concourse
to
level? I don't
300.
know what level that's at.
1 hour, yeah.
Yep.
What's on 7?
7 is just like our tech area. It's basically just a staircase.
Classified.
Yeah,
Classified, yeah, right. Yeah. So you got the howitzers up there. Yeah.
This is 3
you.
for you.
All right,
Yeah,
thanks.
of course.
Thank you. That's cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
Look at those door designs. I dig those door designs. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.